What's up, guys? I hope you are doing well. I finally fixed the light. It wasn't working for like 10 minutes. I realized it was the batteries in here. So anyways, we're going to get into today's video, which is the age-old question: which funnel should you start with? Now, I'm going to get my trusty notebook out in here, but the inspiration for this video came from in my Shine Funnels Academy, which I'd love to have you inside, by the way. It has all the templates, all the trainings, 2 times live Zooms a month you can join me on. But long story short, we have course creators and coaches inside the academy who are looking to launch their funnels and increase the results to the funnels, or to kind of skip over the technology part of the whole funnel thing. But one of the questions is, which one is most important? So early on in one of the trainings at the beginning, when we go through the kind of the strategy phase, is actually split up into 3 pillars, but I'm not going to bore you with all of that. Essentially, what I talk about is the perfect funnel structure, right? Of the 3 key funnels that every online coach, every info product person, or anyone who sells some kind of course or coaching needs these 3 funnels. But which one do you start with? Let's just first have a little reminder about what they are. Now, you'll remember in my first video, and there are old ones, by the way, in case you've wondered, like, this channel isn't new and you said it was new. I haven't posted in like 5 years apart from a tutorial. So I class this as a new channel, and you will see the first video. It's like the first one in ages. So in our first video, I walked through what the 3 funnel system is. Now, if you've not seen that, I'll give you the brief version. But normally, a funnel is something like this, right? So I'm just going to briefly draw that out again. And the reason it's on its side is because we actually want to have kind of a graph like this and like that. And the graph is based on price and value, okay? So we can put like value here and price here. And I split it up into 3 different ways. It's actually the opposite. I realize I've got it the wrong way around. So it's okay. It's brilliant. This is off the cuff. So it's actually this way. Don't worry about this too much, but it is really the secret to funnels and the perfect funnel system. So we better get it the right way around, because with low price and low value, in this kind of third, you have what is called a free funnel, all right? And an example of this is a lead magnet. This can be a free training, a 3-day challenge, anything for free, right? A PDF, a case study, where you are getting the market in a bigger amount. Essentially, now, if any of you have heard of Sabri Suby, he has the big red book. It's called Sell Like Crazy. I'll put a picture of it somewhere here. And he talks about this kind of pyramid. So this isn't part of my drawing, but he has a pyramid, and it's essentially something like the same, right? And he says up here is 3% buyers, and then you have another percentage who are in the middle, kind of problem aware, and then you have the rest of the market. Now, it works the same with my 3 funnel system, because down here, you have the majority of the market. You're able to pull them in with free things, right? Capture them and then nurture through your lead magnet, your emails, get them into your social medias, and then you can upsell them to your other programs. That's essentially it. But in the middle, like I say, we have those like problem aware people who are willing to pull out their credit card. And this is what I call cheaper funnels. Now, the reason it's cheaper funnels is because it's stuff that everyone can afford, you know, the £7, £27, £197. Like, it's in the area where there is less of a market, just like in Sabri's pyramid. So we have less of a market, but we're able to bring buyers in instead of just free lead magnet leads, essentially. Up here is the buyers, all right? And I call this the expensive funnel. So eventually we have the golden 3 funnel system. And again, this is a very fast way of go and watch my first video to see the proper breakdown of it. But this is a game changer. If you're a coach, if you want to sell courses and you have knowledge and you don't know how the online marketing, the funnels, the sales pages, this is all you ever have to worry about. All right? Don't worry about this. I can't believe I got it the wrong way around. But all you need to focus on is this graph, because when you give more value, your price can go up and it lands in these three sections, right? The value can be great, like here, but it's free, right? So you're in the free section. Doesn't mean your free funnel, your lead magnet isn't valuable. It just means like if someone pays 10K to get your one-to-one time every month, get your personal coaching, support, a full training course, like it is just more valuable than a free thing. All right. This is the system. So to answer the question then, which one do you start with? A lot of people start with this one. And in fact, it is the advice of a lot of gurus out there. And not to say that it's incorrect advice. I think everyone has been through their own journey. So if you ever hear someone say, start with a lead magnet funnel, it just means maybe that's what worked for them in their business. Okay, so essentially, don't start with this. And absolutely, you don't want to start with this either. And I'll give you my reasons for it, because again, there are many gurus saying that you should launch a cheaper funnel. There are other words for this, by the way. So it's often called an SLO, or a self-liquidating offer funnel. You've often heard the word low ticket, where essentially you have one product, then you have an upsell, right? Then you have a downsell, and you kind of self-liquidate your ad spend. There are a lot of people saying to start with that. The problem is it's just freaking hard. That is by far the most difficult funnel to do from a standpoint of effort and time, because you have to understand when you have multiple offers, right? Upsells, downsells, you have to make sure the price points are great, all the offers and the copywriting are hitting on point with the audience, and it's just more difficult to create. Yeah, then versus one of these two. Okay, you've also got like emails to write and all, you know, it's just a lot. That leaves us with this one. All right, the funnel you're going to start with as a coach is the one that is going to bring you in the most revenue. So this is advice that I give because I've seen how powerful it is for my clients and for myself. You know, there's nothing quite like sending people to a page that has your most expensive offer on the back end of it. Meaning, when you're spending, you know, a week, 2 weeks creating a SLO funnel to sell cheaper stuff and you're trying to get order bumps, like it ain't gonna work. And eventually you'll realize that you're absolutely drowning your bank account, like you're losing all your money. It's not drowning, but it's leaking out. And you can't get it profitable because it takes way more effort to get this one profitable. And then you're fucked, essentially. So why not just send people to the one place where they can qualify and become a high ticket client, right? As long as your price point is above $2,000-$3,000, you're going to be absolutely fine, right? Even less than that, okay? Especially if you have an organic audience, right? Like you don't even have to worry about ad spend. So the short answer is your expensive funnel. Now, in 2 videos ago, I actually made an entire training about this funnel. It's incredibly straightforward and it breaks down what it is, like every step, and how you can set it up. And it's very, very simple, like I say, and there are a bunch of other videos on my channel that go deeper into specific parts of it. So just have a little look. Start with that one. It's called the 7-figure high ticket coaching funnel, like 2025. And you will love that. So again, you're going to start with the expensive funnel. Like Sabri Suby teaches, there are a percentage of buyers who are ready to go. And it's not to say that the others aren't good, because I'm a big believer in the free funnels, in the cheaper funnels. It's literally what I talk about all day. It's the whole premise of my service and the Shine Funnels Academy is around those 3 funnels. But what you shouldn't do is waste your time creating a lead magnet funnel when you have no strong, expensive funnel on the back end of that. And like I say, in my opinion, that expensive funnel, not only does it bring in the most revenue and profit, but it actually is a lot simpler than the other two. Like I say, even for a lead magnet funnel, you need a good ass email sequence on the back end of that to really do what you want to do with it, which is to like ascend people higher up, right? But with this, you're literally calling out the buyers. You're saying, is this for you? Apply now and book in a free call, and then we'll get started. Like, it's very straight to the point. So I hope this gave you clarity. Like I say, it's very simple. You are going to get all the best information, the best outcomes, the best, what your expensive offer does, who it is for, and you're going to stick that onto a simple page with a video sales letter. You're just going to record a video about you talking on the offer, you know what I mean? About the results that it's given previous clients, and that's it. And people will start to book in calls with you. So if you need more support around the video sales letter, leave a comment below. Just comment VSL and I will make another video about that. So I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to go out there and shine. I'll show you my new t-shirt that I recently had designed. So go out there and shine, impact some more lives. And the way you're going to do it is not wasting time on funnels, but getting your expensive funnel done, whacking up the page and just launching it. All right. The right people will connect with that offer and the messaging on that page, and then you'll be away. And then you'll be in the perfect place to create lead magnet funnels, to create cheaper products and low ticket funnels. Okay. But you don't need to waste your time on those other two. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.